Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel WebToTech, and in today's video I'm going to guide you through how to open Scotia Bank online banking account. So first of all, launch any web browser on your mobile devices. I'm going to launch Google Chrome. Then go to the official website of Scotia Bank. Now once you come to the official website, tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner. From here, you'll see the category of bank accounts. Tap on it. Now over here, tap on the option of View All. Now scroll down below. And over here, you'll see various packages available for you. You can choose your preferred category and tap on the option of Open an Account. So I'm going to tap on this option, that is Momentum Plus Savings Account. Then let's tap on Open an Account. Now over here, answer the question according to your preferences. If you have any Scotia Bank products, I'm going to tap on No. Then let's tap on Apply as a new customer. Then again, answer this question according to you. Then tap on Continue. Now from here, scroll down below. And over here, choose the type of account that you would be using. I'm going to choose Savings/Investment. Then tap on Continue again. Now over here, you would have to enter in your details. So start by selecting a title. Then enter your legal name. If you have a middle name, you can enter it here or simply enter your last name. Then enter your date of birth. Now simply enter in your phone number. After this, enter in your email address. Now after entering all your details, make selection on these boxes. Then tap on Continue. Now over here, start by entering a username. Then create a strong password for your account. Now over here, confirm your password again. After this, tap on Continue. Now over here, you have to choose a verification method from these options given. You can also tap on the option of Enter your info manually. Now over here, simply enter your home address. After this, tap on Continue. Now you have to choose your employment status. Then you have to enter the field of work or industry. After this, tap on Continue. Make sure you review the information you have shared. After that, make a selection on this box and then tap on Continue. So follow these easy steps and you will successfully be able to create your account on Scotia Bank. And that's all for today's video. At last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.